Today, we're showing you exactly how to use standard twist locks, essential for securing shipping containers during transport or stacking. Each twist lock comes ready to use straight from the box. Let's quickly break down the key parts: the handle, locking head, and the pointed head. First, we ensure that the pointed head is facing up when the twist lock is placed into the corner casting. Then pull the handle in an anti-clockwise direction to secure the locking head into the casting. This secures the twist lock in place for when the next container is stacked on top of it. Now lower your next container into position, ready for final locking. Once the top container is stacked, push the handle in a clockwise direction. This locks both the top and bottom castings together, fully securing your stack. The safe working load and breaking load capacity of each twist lock can be found on our site, as well as all our other huge range of shipping container products. It's as easy as that. Thanks for watching. Check out our other selection of twist locks at universal-containers.com.